channel. So today we're going to be doing a makeup video. It's like the easiest, quickest glam that you could do for the holidays if you're in a rush. And it's also so pretty. Like, I love all this glitter. It's very wearable. I think you can alter it in your own ways. And if you want to see how I got this look, then go ahead and keep watching.
Hands around my neck.
Alright, so I did my face off camera because I feel like doing the face with the eyes kind of gets a little boring. Excuse my voice. I'm a little sick. I literally had no voice yesterday. It was horrible. I'm just going to prime my lids with the Cara Beauty eyeshadow primer as I always do. If you guys haven't tried this primer out, you guys need to try it out. This look is honestly very easy, but it's super pretty. And then I just have it out with my fingers just so that it helps melt into the skin. I'm going to take the Fiery 9 palette by Cara Beauty. These are the shades. Very warm. We're not doing crazy shadow shades. Honestly, the easiest thing that you could ever possibly do. I'm going to mix the shade Spark and Inferno. And I'm just going to pat this right onto the lid space and then just blend it up. I'm just blowing this out all over the lid. So to smoke out the outer part of the eye, I'm going to take Spark and Flare, like the tiniest bit of flare. It's the deepest shade in the palette. And I'm just going to focus this on the outer eye. Next, I'm going to take the Cara Beauty Galaxy Liquid Shadow. This is in the shade Vow. I just want to swatch this for you so that you guys can see how it looks. This is like a brown. With this, you guys, I was originally just going to use this on my lid. I was like, you know what, I kind of want a more undone look. So what I did is I'm going to pack this on my lid as if I was just like cutting the crease. And I'm going to go all the way to the corner of the eye. And then just keep doing that. I'm not going to let that dry, so I'm just going to do this eye really quick. Alright, so I feel like this eye is pretty dry. So I'm just going to take my finger and just smudge this all around. I just smudged that out. I'm going to add a little bit more. So when I add a little bit more, I'm not going to really let it sit. I'm just going to rub it out with my fingers right away. And then I'm going to press against the top of my, right against the brow bone. And then just to pick up more glitter, I'm going to go right on top of the lid. And then bring that up. So just so that like when you open your eye, you still have glitter specks up here. So it looks super cute. I really like the way it looks. It looks really cute and effortless. I'm gonna go ahead and take just a little bit more. Alright, so after we've done this, I'm gonna take more of this shade right here on an angle brush. And then I'm just gonna press this against the lash line. And then I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. So for lashes, I wanted something that weren't going to be too long, like too over distracting, I should say, overpowering, I should say. I wanted them to kind of taper from the inner part to the outer part. So I went with Manchester by Dainty Cosmetics. I love these so much because I feel like they're so girly and so flirty. And you guys can still see the glitter through it. Alright, so now to the bottom lash line, I'm going to take this shade right here, this darkest shade in the palette, and just blend this right onto my lash line. You can really do this with any color that you want. I'm going to take more of that and focus it more on the outer corner. And I'm going to take this shade right here. I'm going to use this to go ahead and blend it out. Because it's the holidays, you want to be extra shimmery and glowy. I'm going to take this beautiful baby, the Cara Beauty ES 67 Galaxy palette. I love black glitter. Like, black glitter is my thing. Black rhinestones are so pretty. I'm going to take this palette. This palette has every possible glitter shade that you could ever need in your life. So I'm going with the orangish red vibe today. So I want to take this one right here. And I'm barely taking it on my brush. And I'm just going to apply this right onto my lower lash line. It adds like the tiniest amount, but when you're in person and up close, your eyes are going to be glowing and just glittery. Just the little amount that it gives. A little more something than if it were just, you know, matte colors down there. So for the inner corner highlight, I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Toast. That is this right here. I'm also going to take this on my brow bone. Okay, so for lips, I'm going to take this Morphe lip liner. This is in the shade Sugar Pie. This is like the prettiest nude lip liner if you're tan or even darker. And then for the actual lip color, I'm going to take Cara Beauty Liquid Lip, and this is in the shade Flirt. This color is so pretty. Alright, so I'm just going to change my clothes and I'll be right back. 1 second. Wait, scoot back. Alright guys, so I just finished doing my mom's makeup, and I just finished my makeup. We're gonna go out for her birthday. Tomorrow's my mom's birthday and it's on Thanksgiving, so every fruit is on Thanksgiving. So we're in a rush right now, and I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. And maybe I'll have her in a future video. I don't know, we'll see. But
thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
I kiss your butt. I don't want to mess with your makeup.
Okay, I'll see you guys for the next video. Peace.
Bye.
Mama, see